Hey everybody, join us at Grand Pointe Marina in Sterling Heights for a full display of boats, brands from Ranger, Tracker, Nitro, Sun Tracker, Regency. We have a huge tent out here full of boats with heat, indoor showroom, pontoons, sport boats, center consoles. Lots of choices to choose from. We have Monterey boats, blackfin boats inside as well. Stop in and see us. Don't miss this opportunity to take advantage of our large inventory right now. Dates the show is running are January 21st through the 24th, and next week we will be here as well, the 28th through the 31st.